There's a powerful protein in your body that literally holds your face together, your joints, your skin, even your heart valves. But starting in your mid-20s, you begin losing it, slowly, silently, until one day, you look in the mirror and wonder, what happened to my skin? Why am I in pain? Why am I aging so fast? This protein is collagen, and without it, your body starts to break down from the inside out. But here's the good news. You can rebuild it. You can slow aging. You can even reverse visible signs of decline. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to naturally boost collagen for youthful skin, strong joints, and vibrant longevity. You'll learn what collagen really does in your body, the best foods and habits to restore it, and one shocking secret, backed by science, that almost no one talks about. I'll reveal that secret at the end of this video, and trust me, it'll change the way you think about aging forever. Ready to take control of your body's repair system from the inside out? Let's dive in, and don't skip, because every second counts. Let's get one thing straight. Collagen isn't just about beauty. It's about structure, strength, survival. Think of your body like a skyscraper. Your bones, that's the steel. Your skin, joints, blood vessels. They're all held in place by the invisible scaffolding, and that's collagen. In fact, collagen makes up nearly 30% of all the protein in your body. That's more than any other protein, and when you lose it, everything begins to fall apart. Here's what happens when collagen breaks down. Your skin sags, your joints stiffen, cuts heal slowly, back pain creeps in, and that vibrant look you once had, it begins to fade. But here's what most people don't realize. Collagen doesn't just live in your skin or joints. It's in your eyes, your heart valves, even the lining of your gut. And get this, there are over 28 different types of collagen in your body, each with a specific job, each slowly disappearing. But what if you could flip the switch? What if you could send a signal to your body to say, hey, let's build this stuff again. Let's get strong again. Let's look and feel like ourselves again. That's exactly what you'll discover in this video. And yes, that one powerful secret I teased earlier, it triggers your own body to create collagen without pills or injections. We'll get to that soon. But first, let's start with food. Because the right foods aren't just fuel, they're instructions for your cells. Let's unlock the top 4 foods that help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Top 4 foods to boost collagen naturally. Food 1. Vitamin C rich, fruits and vegetables. Your body can't produce collagen without vitamin C. It's like trying to build a house without nails. The pieces simply won't hold together. Vitamin C is a cofactor. It helps activate the enzymes your body needs to stitch amino acids into collagen. And the best part, it's everywhere in nature. You just have to know where to look. Some of the top sources include strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, broccoli, guava, and oranges. The brighter the color, the more vitamin C it usually holds. And here's something surprising. Kiwi and guava have more vitamin C than oranges. Most people have no idea. So next time you're shopping, skip the orange juice and grab something your skin will thank you for. Now, that's just the beginning. Because there's one traditional food that cultures around the world have used for centuries, not just for comfort, but for healing. We're talking about collagen-rich, gut-healing, joint-soothing bone broth. Food 2. Bone broth. Bone broth is collagen in liquid form. When you simmer bones, chicken, beef, turkey, with joints, skin, and connective tissue for hours, that collagen breaks down and dissolves right into the broth. You're left with a warm, nutrient-rich liquid full of amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact building blocks of human collagen. It's no wonder grandmothers across generations swore by it, and science is finally catching up. Bone broth doesn't just help your joints, it may also strengthen your gut lining, hydrate your skin, and even support your immune system. So yes, Grandma was right. Again. Now let's talk greens. Not the boring kind. The powerful, sulfur-rich kind that do more than nourish. They activate collagen from the inside out. Food. 3. Leafy greens and sulfur-rich vegetables. Broccoli, kale, spinach, onions, garlic. These aren't just healthy sides, they're collagen-supporting powerhouses. Sulfur from these vegetables helps stabilize the triple helix structure of collagen, making it stronger and more resilient. And leafy greens contain vitamin A, another key player. Vitamin A helps trigger new collagen production in aging skin. That's right, your spinach is speaking directly to your skin cells. And here's the kicker. Studies show that people who eat more greens have fewer wrinkles and better skin elasticity. Simple, natural, powerful. And speaking of simple, this next food might surprise you, because it's something you probably ate as a kid, but didn't know was pure collagen. Food. 4. Gelatin. Remember Jell-O, that bouncy, wiggly dessert? Underneath the artificial colors and sugar, it was based on gelatin, which is simply cooked collagen. When you eat real, clean gelatin, made from bones, skin, or tendons, you're giving your body the exact fragments it needs to build more collagen where it matters. Your skin, your joints, your gut, and it's not just theory. In one study, athletes who consumed gelatin before exercise built significantly more collagen in their tendons than those who didn't. In another, older adults with joint pain saw real improvements after weeks of collagen-rich gelatin intake. So go ahead, make your own version, skip the sugar, add fresh fruit, let it set in the fridge. It's simple, and your body will love it. But food is only part of the story. There are 2 lifestyle habits that can naturally trigger your body to make more collagen, without supplements. We're about to cover those next. And after that, I'll reveal the collagen secret you've been waiting for, the one that changes everything. Stay with me. 2 lifestyle habits that trigger collagen production. You've seen how food can help, but what if I told you that your daily habits could literally switch on your body's natural collagen factory? Let's start with something that doesn't cost $1, but pays back for life. Lifestyle habit 1. Resistance-based exercise. Every time you move, your muscles stretch, your tendons pull, your joints bear weight, your body senses tension, and in response, it produces more collagen to reinforce those tissues. Strength training, resistance bands, bodyweight movements like squats or push-ups, even just walking uphill or climbing stairs, all activate fibroblasts, the specialized cells that produce collagen. The result? Stronger joints, firmer skin, more resilient tendons. Think of it like this. Movement tells your body, I'm still active, I still need support. And your body listens by producing more collagen. Even just 15 minutes a day can make a difference. But after movement, your body needs time to repair and rebuild. And that happens during the most overlooked health habit of all. Lifestyle habit 2. Deep, restorative sleep. Sleep isn't rest. Sleep is repair. While you sleep, your body goes into healing mode. It produces collagen, regenerates skin, rebuilds connective tissue, and restores balance. Lack of sleep leads to accelerated skin aging, slower wound healing, increased joint stiffness, and higher inflammation. In one study, women with poor sleep had significantly more wrinkles, pigmentation issues, and skin laxity, even at the same age as better sleepers. You don't need expensive creams, you need consistency. 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep every night. That means no caffeine late in the day, no blue light before bed, and maybe a cup of calming chamomile tea instead of scrolling through your phone. Your skin will thank you. Your joints will thank you. Your collagen will thank you. So, we've covered what to eat. We've covered how to live. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to reveal the secret that ties all of this together. Something so powerful, so overlooked, that when combined with the tips you've just learned, it can supercharge your body's ability to build, repair, and protect collagen. Let's unlock the real secret behind lasting youth and cellular renewal. Ready? Let's go. The collagen secret, autophagy and fasting. You've made it this far, and now it's time to reveal what I've been teasing from the beginning. This is the secret that even most nutritionists and doctors rarely talk about, and it has the power to reset your body from the inside out. The secret is autophagy. Autophagy is your body's natural cellular recycling system. It literally means self-eating, and while that may sound strange, it's one of the most important biological processes for staying young. When activated, autophagy clears out damaged cells and proteins, including old, broken-down collagen fibers, and makes room for new, healthy collagen to form. It's like spring cleaning at the cellular level. And how do you activate this process? Not with a pill, not with a serum, but with something powerful, free, and completely natural. Fasting, intermittent fasting, going 14 to 16 hours without food, triggers autophagy. And when that happens, your body starts regenerating itself from the inside out. It boosts stem cell activity, it reduces inflammation, and yes, it helps rebuild collagen in your skin, joints, and connective tissue. Studies have shown that fasting not only increases growth hormone, which promotes collagen, but also supports DNA repair and slows biological aging. So here's the truth. You don't need to buy collagen. You need to activate your body to make more of it. With real food, with movement, with deep sleep, and with strategic periods of not eating. That's the missing piece. That's the secret no one is telling you. And now you know. You have the tools to rebuild your body from within, to look better, move better, heal faster, and age with strength and confidence. Not through magic, through biology. The kind that works with your body, not against it. So if this opened your eyes, imagine what else is possible. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And drop a comment below. Which one of these tips are you going to try first? Or have you already been fasting without knowing you were helping your collagen? Let's keep learning, healing, and living younger, the true health way.